My name is Muhammad Bashir Zainuddin. I graduated with a bachelor's degree of software engineering with honors from University Malaysia Terengganu. I have studied Java programming, web development, system design, and software project management, among others. These courses that I enrolled in have provided me with strong knowledge in system development that requires not only a solid background in coding, but also a firm grasp on IT project management as well. Up until this point, my experiences in related fields include working as an intern at iFast Corporation. As a trainee, I shouldered development responsibilities such as collecting system requirements, translating them into designs, and coding user interface. I was also involved with multiple Android application developments under the supervision of industry experts at the company. Another experience of mine that I would like to include is my final year project. I independently prepared the documentations required for development, as well as the system itself. From the beginning to end, I implemented what I have learned during the prior years, such as conducting interviews for collecting requirements, developing a web system, and managing a project. I chose this major because I appreciate the many ways how we as humans can manipulate zeros and ones inside a machine to accommodate our lives. UMT became my choice to pursue my studies because I have heard great stories from graduates who are now industry specialists and experienced technologists. Another reason being is a relative of mine who works in the microchip manufacturing industry recommended me this university, and he also studied there. My biggest strength is I excel working both individually and as a team player. I can achieve the same great results on time when I do research, get resources, and other tasks unaccompanied, just as I do when I work together with coworkers in a team. Another strength of mine is apart from owning technical skills, I also have a lot of experiences communicating with clients who come from a lot of backgrounds all over the country. I am comfortable leading conversations, hosting meetings, and persuading my customers. My greatest weakness is sometimes I chase perfection in my work to the point where my allocated time and resources are wasted. Fortunately, after participating in competitions, workshops, and enrolling in courses such as software project management and English for occupational purposes in university, I get better and better at managing time and sorting responsibilities. When I realized that I successfully minimized the number of times where I got carried away correcting my own work, I finally earned a place in the industry by doing an internship at IFAS. I left my position at IFAS because, for some part, the company do not share the same values as mine. I understand that they prefer to stick with some development models for years to come due to constraints like cost and maintainability. But in my humble opinion, over time, the models they use will be a little too conservative to me, and I would rather venture into newer models that are more efficient and prepared. Despite all of this, my previous position at the company has served me nothing but great learning experience with amazing coworkers and employees. I am very thankful for every second I work for them. I applied for this role because I am confident that I can perfectly serve the duties in accordance with the job requirements and responsibilities, as well as adapting to new environment or challenges while possessing the required skills and qualities for this position. This job also fits the 5-year goal that I have set for myself, which is to become a back-end web developer.